metal ligand bonding in transition metal complexes. We are discussing about the crystal field stabilization energy. In last lecture, we discussed about the application of crystal field theory to octahedral complexes, in which we studied that d orbital is divided into two sets, that is Eg and T2g orbitals. In Eg orbital, there are two orbits, that is dx square y square and dz square, and in T2g it is triply degenerated and it have three lobes, that is dxy, dyz and dxz. Further, we have discussed about the strength of the delta O, that is delta octahedral, that is difference in the T2g and Eg. If the field is strong or if ligands are strong, the difference between T2g and Eg is more. Remember the thing, if the ligands are stronger, then the difference between T2g and Eg is more as compared to the weak field. In case of weak field, the distance between the T2g and Eg is less. That is, delta O is less in case of weak field and delta O is more in case of strong field, that is strong ligands. Now, with respect to that discussion, I am now going to show you some calculations, that is crystal field stabilization energy, how to calculate the CFSE, how to calculate crystal field stabilization energy of the octahedral complex. If suppose that we are discussing about the D1, that is 1 electron at D level, that is 3D or D level. So there are two types, that is weak field and strong field, high spin, low spin. Now weak field, in case of weak field, the distance is less, the difference between these two T2g and Eg is less as compared to the difference between Eg and T2g. Now if the D1, that is 1 electron in D orbital, it will enter into the lower level, that is T2g, and the value of T2g is -4. So D1 is equal to -4 into 1 electron at the T2g level, and the value of Eg is +6. So +6 into 0, because there is no electron at the Eg level. So -4 into 1 +6 into 0. So 4 ones are 4, that is answer is -4 dq. Now what is dq? D is the destabilization of d orbitals and q is the charge of a ligand. Also you can understand that in case of this, n is equal to 1, that is number of unpaired electron is equal to 1, and spin angular momentum quantum number or the spin is equal to n by 2. If n is 1, so s is equal to 1 by 2. See the another side, that is the difference between the T2g and Eg is more, but the electron is only 1 and it will enter into the lower level, that is T2g. So again D1 is equal to -4 into 1. 1 is the electron at the lower level, at the T2g level, -4 into total number of electron present at T2g level, that is 1, plus 6 into 0. So D1 is equal to -4 dq. This is all about the CFSE of the D1 in octahedral complex.